Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mitsuko. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I like to start my makeup with my eyes, so I'm even on my base by using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in Fawn and then setting it with the LauraMercier Translucent Loose Powder. Okay, so for this look, I'm using the McGrath Labs Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. So there are 18 shades, 3 are matte, and I'm using all 3 plus 1 shimmer. Okay, so the first shade I'm using is Major Mahogany, which is described as a warm mahogany matte. I start by blending it onto my outer crease and then blending the leftover onto my crease as well. So I'm using a blending brush for this shade, and then this will help me blend the shadow into my crease but then also diffuse it. As you can tell, I'm really taking my time to blend the shade, so do the same, be patient, and blend. Blend, blend, blend. So I'm going back and forth from left to right to make sure that both eyes are identical. So to add some depth, I'm applying Venomous Void, which is described as a mid-tone magenta matte, onto my crease with a small crease brush. So if your eyes are also hooded, just think of your outer crease as a triangle and make sure when you're packing that shade that you're not going past your crease line. So you can clearly see where the two shades meet, and you don't want that because you want it to be a gradient effect. So in order to fix that, I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending where they meet and getting rid of any harsh lines. So you should technically see 3 shades: Major Mahogany above the crease, Venomous Void on your outer crease, and then the 2 shades blending it in the middle. Okay, so we're almost done with the eyes. The last step is the best part. So I'm using Megabyte, which is described as a deepened khaki green shimmer, and applying it onto my lids. And as you can see, it's best applied with your finger. So you want to place the shimmer from your inner lid to where the two other shades meet, and then you can go a little bit above your crease if you have hooded eyes. So now I'm using a clean blending brush just to clean up my eyes. Since this look is all about the eyes, I completed the rest of my face off camera. Now I'm adding Venomous Void and Venetian Orchid to my bottom lash. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.